Hi, I'm Theodora Esparza, founder and creative director of Studio Stilo here in Los Angeles. Today we'll be touring the Steinkamp residence. Steinkamp was a developer in Los Angeles from the 1930s to the 1950s. Even though each home was distinct, they all shared a lot of character and charm. The first stop on the tour is the living room. This is one of my favorite rooms in the home because of all the architectural detail, and one of Steinkamp's signature details was doing lead glass windows with colored stained glass shields. Another Steinkamp signature move is the plaster detail. In the ceiling above me, you'll see some beautiful crown molding and beams that have some really great work. And another architectural detail that is truly one of my favorite is the relief tile on the fireplace. I also really love the burnt chocolate color, and this became sort of a ground for the design and inspiration as we started building out the color palette for the home. This is the classic Maralunga sofa by Cassina. This sofa is meant for lounging as well as sitting upright, and the fact that this is an original piece that is in such great condition was a nice special find. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is called the Siesta chair, and it was designed to take a nap and lounge in. The ability to do bent plywood was very unique. It was new to the time. I also love the lightness of the chair and the space. We also included this swivel chair, which allows you to really take the entire space in. As we come into the dining room, you'll see that overall the tones are a little bit lighter, but still have this warmth and a lot of patinaed woods in here. This dining table is actually from a ship's galley. So if you look towards the bottom of the table legs are worn from them cleaning the floors of the ship over and over again. And we want to complement this beautiful dining table with some vintage chairs. And they are a ruche dining chair, so it adds another layer of a texture in it. While over here we have these amazing copper wall sconces. And the earthy tones of the copper and how the patina has green complemented and started bringing the tones from the living room into the dining space. So as you can see in the breakfast nook, we also have the amazing step plaster ceiling, which really highlights and sort of makes the volume of the space feel a little bit bigger by having that detail. And one of the things you want to really accomplish in this space is make it feel a little bit more light and whimsical. So the blue really sort of lifts the space up and makes it feel very fresh. We also did a yellow piping on this banquette that really just makes this whole room feel very cheery. We really wanted to create a space where the client would come in the morning and it would be bright and cheerful as a great foundation or way to start the day. While we have the step plaster ceiling over here in the breakfast nook, in the primary bedroom, we have an amazing wedding cake plaster detail. Now, one of my favorite parts in this home is the actual wedding cake frosting detail in the plaster that you see here on the walls. It's just such a beautiful detail that is so rare to see here in Los Angeles. And we want to complement it as well, even just with the layers and the textures and the bedding that once again bring in these earthy tones that tie into the rest of the home. So we have the walnut nightstands, we have a teak vintage sideboard, and then we also have the beech and the oak wood over here on the lounge chairs. It really adds another dimension to the space versus everything feeling monolithic. That's it for the tour, and thank you for stopping by our Steinkamp residence. It was a real treat to show you this architectural gem.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.